Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my live recording session. I just want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor or anything related to that. I just post videos for educational and entertainment purposes. With that being said, let's get into the trades. So starting off with the S&P 500 and the Qs, which are not shown at this moment, but later on it does. They started out with a gap down, and the first candle was actually very bullish. So looking at the stocks, I was very interested in Nvidia, Meta, and MRNA, and I wanted to get into Nvidia initially, but after the second candle was made, um, it showed me that I was kind of doubting about the strength of Nvidia, as you can see over there. So I started off with Nvidia, and when the third candle was made, you see that everything went down, but Mina actually hit my entry point, so I put a stop loss, but it fairly quickly moved it to the break even point because Mirna actually hit my 1-to-1 risk ratio, um, meaning a profit of $75, and my risk is $75, meaning it's a 1-to-1 risk ratio, and therefore I move my stop loss to a break even point, a little bit above because of the commissions, of course. So after that, I actually switched to a 4-screen monitor, having the S&P 500 and the Qs on the left side, and on the right side Meta and MRNA. I was still interested in Meta, and therefore I kept it on the screen. And as you can see, while everything was going down, MRNA was actually very strong, which was very good in my case. Going long, long means that you expect the stock to go upwards, and short is when you expect the stock to go downwards. So basically, as you can see on the left side, the Qs was very bearish at this moment, but the S&P 500, you can debate if it's a pullback or not. And I thought it was a pullback. I thought Meta also had a pullback, so after that I put a entry point to go on to the upside. And I must say that I was not afraid or anything to get into the trade of Meta, because as you can see, Meta went up, and even if I would lose 1R or $75 on Meta, I would still end up with a profitable day. So therefore, I just went into the trade. But after a couple of seconds, as you can see, the S&P 500 and the Qs were making a huge seller's candle, and therefore I was thinking that the S&P 500 and the Qs were at its highest point, or the S&P 500 was at its highest point and would reverse to the downside, and therefore I moved my stop loss to a very close top, so it could still run if it would run, but if it goes back, I would still gain a lot of profit on MRNA. And my strategy was, at this moment, when MRNA hit my stop loss, which it does, I move my stop loss to a 50% risk ratio on Meta, so I would let my winners run and limit my losses as much as possible, so in the end I would make more money. That's how day trading works, and it actually did, as you can see over there. So basically, it was a perfect trade in my case, perfect strategy, and well handled, and I made $316.50 in just 14 minutes. That's amazing. It's not even 15 minutes, 15 minutes, so it was actually very good. So that was actually today's trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, smash that like button, and do not forget to subscribe to for more content like this. Also, if you have any questions or anything to say, any comments to make this content better, if you have any recommendations, let me know down below in the comments. I will respond to each and every comment. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.